So, in the previous video, we have discussed the basic concepts of what is a dictionary and how to create a dictionary, what is a key value pair, and what are the various methods are there with the dictionary. Now, in this video, we will discuss all the methods which are available with the dictionary with the practical examples. Suppose if you see, we will construct a dictionary by using a curly braces followed by key and its value. Key and its value. Here I am creating a first dictionary. The name of the dictionary is first dict. Here Vishal is the name, is the key here. The value is Delhi. Ayush, indoor. Shashwat, Chandigarh. Sumya, Dubai. Pavan, Kanpur. That means these are all keys and their values. That means here key, name is a key and the location is a value. Suppose if you know the name, then we can know the location. That means if you know the key, then we can be able to know the value. Similarly, suppose if here I am creating another dictionary, second dict. Here you can see this is a key. Key may be anything, any data type. Here this is a key and its value. Here this is a key and its 2.0 is a key and its value is 1. Here 1, 2, 3 is a key and its value is str. Suppose if we execute this, code, then we will get here I am printing print second underscore dict. Here I am printing second underscore dict. So now it is printing the dictionary. Here it is printing the dictionary. What is the dictionary? Here the dictionary is 1 is the key and its value is string. Here this is a key, its value is 1. This is a key, its value is 1. Suppose if you may have doubt whether it is a dictionary or not. Simply write print type of second underscore dict. Now if you execute this, then it is saying that it is a class dictionary. So this is the way we can design or define a dictionary. Suppose here I have defined a dictionary called personal info. In that if you see, this is the name. That means this is a key. The name is Ganga. Here age is another key. Age is 26. Job is a another key. Job is a data scientist. Salary some 12 lakhs. Here all keys are of string type. That's why we are keeping the string in quotations. Here in the previous example, here the key is not a string type. That's why we are not supposed to mention quotation. So 1 colon string. Here this value is a string type. That's why here within quotations I have mentioned str. Suppose if I want to get some name, from the dictionary, so here I have mentioned person. This is personal info is a dictionary name. Here I am giving the value name, then If I execute this, then I will get Ganga is my value. Here, this is the name. Its value is Ganga. How you will get a particular value? Dictionary of, what is the dictionary name here? Person underscore info is equal to of. So what is the key? The key is name. Then for this you are getting the value as Ganga. Ganga is the value of this key name in the dictionary personal underscore info. Suppose here I am writing person underscore info. Here I am writing some ABC. Here I am writing some ABC. Here what you get? You get an error. So what error you got? You got an error, that key error. That means ABC is a key which is not there in your dictionary. ABC is a key. Here ABC is a key which is not there in the dictionary. So that's why if the key is not there, then it is showing an error called key error. If you want to retrieve a value of a particular key, if that key is not available in the dictionary, then it shows the error as key error. Similarly, here I have mentioned person info of Lakineni. Person info of Lakineni. Lakineni is a key, but in our person info, Lakineni key is not there. That's why it is throwing an error called as key error. It is showing. If I mention person info of salary, here salary is key is there in our dictionary. So now the value of the salary is some 12 lakhs. So it is showing 12 lakhs. So this is the way of accessing an element in the dictionary with the help of a key. Now you will see enter dictionary. Here I have taken a dictionary, third dictionary. Dictionary underscore third is equal to name is equal to hey, and enter name and awesome. Here what you can observe is, here the key is same, So then what happens? Both the keys are same. Here this is a key with the same name. Here the key with the same name. I already told dictionary shall have only unique keys. Keys cannot be duplicated. So what happens? If you run this code, what will happen? Do you get any error? No, we don't get any error. So we will get whatever is the latest key value pair, that key value will be pair considered. Whatever will be the latest key value pair, that key value pair will be considered. Suppose if you run this code, then here I am printing, here I am writing print dictionary, third dictionary, print third dictionary. So when I am printing, it is showing what it is showing? It is showing name and awesome. Here name is a key and awesome is a value. Here this name is also there. But this pair is not considered. Why? Because this key value pair is updating with this key value pair. That means name and awesome will be considered as the latest key value pair. So when you are inserting more than one key value pair with the same keys, the latest one will be updated. Suppose if you want to print length of third dict. If you want to print the length of third dict, so it is showing. Now you can understand happily. Now it is showing only the length of the dictionary is 1. That means this old key value pair is not existed. Whenever you are giving another key value pair with the same key of the previous key value pair, then old key value pair will be updated with the new key value pair. So you won't get any error if you give more than one key value pair with the same name. So here you can see clearly when you are printing, the updated key value pair is printed. When you want to know how many elements are in the dictionary, with the help of a length method, you are seeing that only it is returning the length as 1. That means only one key value pair is there in the given dictionary. Here I have taken another dictionary. Here the dictionary name is Marvel Dictionary. In this I have defined a name and Thor. This is one key value pair. Here place and some value. It is some key value pair. Here this is key and its value. This is another key value pair. Here 1:2. This is another key value pair. Here these three keys are of type string. Here the keys are, here the key is integer. You can, there is no such condition that all the keys are of the same type. You can have any type of key. So here the key is 1. Here the key is 3. The key is 3 and the value is power. And here the key is abilities. Again in the abilities you have supplied the value in the form of a list. Yes, you can supply the value in the form of a list. Here this is one value, this is one. Totally you have supplied these two values in the form of a list to the key abilities. Next one is ABC. ABC is a key. For this you are supplying the value in the form of a dictionary. You are supplying the value, you are given the value in the form of a dictionary. In the form of a dictionary. In the form of a dictionary. Here you can see 1 is a key and its value. 4 is a key and its value. So you can define the key value pair in any form. Only the one thing you have to keep in mind that keys cannot be repeated. Suppose if you want to know how many elements are there in the dictionary, here I simply wrote length of dictionary. Now it is showing the length of the dictionary as, here the length of the dictionary is, just here I need to run this code. Now you can see the length of the dictionary as 1. Here the length of dictionary is 1. That means whatever the key value pairs in different formats you have given, it is accepted. For one key you have separated the values in the form of a list. For one key you have separated the values in the form of a dictionary. Once you have taken key as a string, somewhere you have taken the key as a integer, you can define in any form. Your dictionary will be accepted. Now if you want to see the number of elements in the dictionary, so length of Marvel underscore dict, it is showing that the length of the dictionary is 7. That means there are 7 key value pairs in your dictionary. There are 7 key value pairs. This is first one. This is second one. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So totally there are 7 key value pairs in your dictionary. Here I have taken some variable. Here I have taken some variable abilities underscore value is equal to Marvel underscore dictionary of abilities. So here Marvel underscore is a dictionary object. In that I have passed the key. Whatever the value is there for this key, that value I am storing in a variable. That means the value of this abilities is, the value of this ability is stored in the form of a dictionary. The value of ability is stored in the form of a dictionary. List. The value of abilities you have stored in the form of a list. Now those list of elements are stored into a, it gives the value. What is the value? Whatever the values are associated with the list, those values will be returned. So these values which we are storing in the abilities underscore value. This is a variable. Now I want to print abilities value. Now it is showing Iron Man and Captain America. So these are the list of values which are there for the key, that key is returning those two values. Those two values I am storing in abilities underscore value variable. Now if I want to print, it is showing the same information. Now you can call the dictionary values with the help of a key. Marvel underscore dict of place. Now it is showing the place. Here this is a key, this is a value. Now type of Marvel dictionary. This is the dictionary now. So it is simply returning dictionary. Here dictionary Marvel underscore dictionary. It is a name. Name is a key. Now what is the value of this key? This is Thor. Thor is a value. Similarly, if you are asking to print the value of random from the dictionary, the value of random, here the key is not existed, this key is not there, but you want to print the value of this key, so it is showing the key error. That means the key is not there in the dictionary. That's what it is showing the error. Now we will see one by one all the methods of the dictionary. Keys. Already I have explained. Keys is a method which returns the keys in the dictionary. What are the keys which we have defined in the dictionary? Those keys will be returned in the form of a list. In the form of a list. That means list of keys in the dictionary object will be returned. So keys is a method which returns list of keys defined in the dictionary or in the dictionary object. Now if you see, suppose here this is our dictionary. This is our dictionary Marvel underscore dict. This is your dictionary. Here what I am printing Marvel underscore dict. This is your dictionary dot keys. Keys, what is the key? Key is a method. Key is a method. Key is a method. So with this method, what you are getting? You are getting the keys in the form of a list. So what are the keys? Name. Here name is displayed. Here you have seen this is a displayed in the form of a what? List. Here place. Place is a key. Here place. Weapon. This is a weapon. Here 1 is a key. That key is included here. Here 3 is a key. Here the 3 is included. Here abilities and BC. So now all the keys which are defined in the dictionary are shown in the form of a list of keys. So keys method always returns the list of keys available in a particular method. Now if you ask what type of Marvel dict underscore keys, what it is giving, what it is showing? Dictionary keys. It is giving dictionary keys. That's why when you ask the type, it is showing that dict keys. So if you want to convert the list of dict keys into complete list, then you can write list of Marvel underscore dict dot keys. Now it is completely showing in the form of a list. Otherwise, it shows dict underscore keys of list. If you don't want to dict underscore keys of list, if you want the pure keys in the form of a list, you have to convert this entire thing into a list, so that you are getting pure list elements of a particular keys in the given dictionary. Suppose here there is a dictionary called personal info dot keys. Here it is showing dict underscore keys of, what are the keys are there? Name, age, job, salary. So these are the 4 keys which are shown in the form of list of keys only. But this list is included with dict underscore keys. If you don't want like this, you just put list of this one. Then you will get simply the list name, age, job and salary. You will get a pure list without including dict underscore keys. And the next method is values. Here in the previous one we have seen that keys. Only you will get the keys. And if you want to only values, then you have to use the method values. It gives values method returns list of values defined in the dictionary object. So what are the values are there in the given dictionary object, those values will be returned with the help of method called values method. Suppose we have a dictionary. The dictionary is personal info. Here if you run this dictionary, now you will get the dictionary. This is the dictionary. Here you have name, the name of the, here name is the key, its value, age, its value, job, its value, salary, its value. I want only these values. I don't want the keys. I don't want the keys. I want only the values. Then you have to go with values. Personal underscore info, person underscore info dot values. Here this is a method which gives a list of values. So these are the list of values. But here dict underscore values will be here. Dict underscore value, these are the list of values. Suppose if you want to convert these values into a tuple, simply you write tuple of person underscore info dot values, then your values will be shown in the form of a tuple. In the form of a tuple. If you apply tuple, the values will be shown in the form of a tuple. Suppose I want to see the values in the form of a list. The values in the form of a list. Now you just cite simply list of person underscore values. Now you are getting the values in the form of a list object. Here if you use tuple, you will see the values in the form of a tuple object. Now again you come to our dictionary, Marvel underscore dict. Here this is your dictionary. This is your dictionary. Now Marvel underscore dict values. So all these values will be shown in the form of a list. Here this is the first value, second value, third value, fourth value, and for this key, power is the value. It has shown the power. For this key, this entire list is a value. So it is showing the entire list. For this ABC key, this entire dictionary is a value. Here it is showing the dictionary. So like that, values is a method which gives only the values from the given dictionary. If you want to convert the entire values into pure list, then you can apply list, so that all the values are purely converted into a list object. So this is the purpose of using the values method in the dictionary. Next, another method is items. So if you want keys, you have to use the keys method. If you want only values, you have to use the values method. But if you want both keys and values at a time, then you have to use the method called items. Items is a method in dictionary which returns list of key value pairs. Suppose if you see here this is our person underscore inform items. So whenever you print, the output will be dict underscore items. Here items is a method which returns a list of tuples where every element is a tuple. In the tuple you have the key value pair. So you can see this is a list. List of what? List of tuples. This is a tuple. This is a tuple. This is a tuple, and this is a tuple. In each tuple you have key. In each tuple you have key and its value. Key and its value. This is key and its value. So this is the key and its value. So this is what the items method returns. So this is nothing more about items method. Then we will go to the next method called get method. So if you want to get a value by using a particular key name, you can use the get method also. So suppose if you write like this, Marvel underscore dict of place, then also you will get the value of its key. Key is the place is the key. If you want this key value, then you are getting like this also. And also you can use the dict dot method. This is your dictionary dot get place. Place is your key. If you give a specified key, then also you will get the value of that method. Okay, value of that key. So these are the two things in which you can retrieve a particular value by specifying the particular key. This can also be good. This can also be good. Then what makes the difference between ordinary getting a value by using the dictionary object or by using the get method? There is a difference between these two ways of using. Suppose if place key is there in the dictionary, its value will be written. If place is, suppose if I write some ABC. So ABC is a key which is not there in this dictionary. Then what it returns? It returns key error. But when you use Marvel underscore dict dot get ABC, in this case also ABC is not there in the dictionary, but you will not get any error. You will get none. You will get none. That makes the difference between getting a specified value by using the specified key, either using like this or get method. If you use the get method, if the key is available, its value will be written. If key is not available, then it returns none. It returns none. We will see the example. It returns none. Suppose here if you see, in your person info, you have name, value. Here this is key, its value. This is key, its value, key, its value, key, its value. Here in this case, if you want to print the key alma better is a, here you are mentioning alma better as a key, but this key is not existed in the given dictionary. Then you are getting what? You are getting an error. You are getting an error. Suppose if in the same case, if you use get method, now you will get method takes key as an argument and returns null if key is not found in the dictionary. That is the purpose of get method. Suppose if you see here this is our dictionary. Suppose Marvel underscore get place. Place is already there in our dictionary. So now its value is shown. Suppose if you write like this, Marvel underscore dict dot get random key not present. Suppose if random key is there, key will be written. If random key is not there, then it gives a message, key not present. So this is the method. This is the message you are getting if you use dot get method and if the key is not available in the dictionary. That means if value is not there, this will be treated as a default value. That can treat it as a default message. That message will be written if the particular key is not available in the dictionary. That is the main advantage of get method. Now you just remember that it is very important to note that dictionaries are flexible in data types they can hold. Suppose if you take employee underscore dict, this is the dictionary name. This is the dictionary name. Inverse, this is the key and its value. This is the key and its value is list of elements. So its value is list. Here this is the key, its value is float. This is the key, its value is tuple. So dictionary has a complete flexibility. You can define your own data in whatever way you want. If you want the length of the dictionary, suppose if you write the length of employee underscore dict, so here there are 4 elements are there, it is showing 4. Suppose length of dict underscore and dict dot keys. Here how many keys are there? There are 4 keys. There are 4 keys. Similarly, if you want a particular element, so how do you access the particular element? So here dict employee underscore dict of skills. Skills is a key. Its values are Python, machine learning and deep learning. So this is a list of values. For this key, this is a list of values. Suppose if you want a particular element, suppose if I want this one, I want to print this one only. So now it is returning a list. It is returning a list. Employee underscore dict skills, it is returning a list. In that list, I want first element. First element will be at index 0. So if you mention 0, now you are getting Python. You are getting a Python. Suppose if you write like this, suppose print employee underscore dict of skills, it gives a list of elements. In the list of elements, I want the last one. The last one is element at index at. Now here the employee name. Okay, here you have to run this code. Now you just run this. Now it is showing deep learning. So out of in this list, the position of the last element, this is the position at 0, 1, 2. Now out of this list, I want only the element position 2. So what is the element at position 2? Deep learning. So here deep learning will be written. So this is the way of going in depth of particular element using the indexing concept. Suppose if you want to convert this particular element into uppercase, then employee underscore dict of skills, it gives the list of elements, the 3 elements. In that, out of that, I want only the value at index 0. Out of that, I want to convert that value into uppercase, dot upper. Now this Python, small letters Python is converted completely into capital letter Python. So this is another way of retrieving and modifying the elements in the dictionary values. Next one, there is another method called as update method. So with the help of update method, we can add an element to the dictionary in the form of a key value pair. You can add an element which is a key value pair by using update method. Update is a method through which you can add an element to the dictionary as a key value pair. This method takes a dictionary as an argument. We can supply a dictionary as an argument to this method, then those key value pairs in the particular dictionary will be added to the existing dictionary. Suppose if you see the examples, then you can understand. Suppose if you see employee, already we have seen. So this is our employee dictionary. This is our employee dictionary. Okay. For this employee dictionary, I want to update salary. That means I want to add one more key value pair. Here till now, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. In the dictionary, how many values of key value pairs are there? There are 4 key value pairs. Now I want to add an extra key value pair, that is salary. Salary colon some 2 lakhs or 20 lakhs. So here I am updating an extra key value pair as employee underscore dict dot update. In that I am supplying key value pair. Now if we execute this program, if we execute this cell, then your dictionary is updated. Now if you want to print the dictionary, now you can see clearly an extra key value pair is added at the end of the dictionary. Now if you want to see the length, then how many elements are there in the dictionary? Element means every key value pair is called as element. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are totally 5 key value pairs are there. So now the length of the dictionary is 5. Now again, suppose here this is a dictionary. Now update. Here I am giving only one key. Now if you want to update like this, it won't be happen. It won't be allowed. Okay. Suppose if you want to work on this, then it will show an error. Dictionary update sequence elements 0 has length 1, not required 2. That means here it requires key value pair in the form of a dictionary. Key value pair in the form of a dictionary, but not single element. So this is what a dictionary. In this similar fashion, if you want to add to existing dictionary, then also we can use update method. And also here, if you see employee underscore dict dot update, here this is a dictionary. Now I want to add this dictionary to the existing dictionary employee underscore dict. Now if we run this code, this name and the value will be added. Now if you see the dictionary here, you can see this name is added into your dictionary. That means with the help of update method, you can add one dictionary into the existing dictionary. So that is also another way of using the dictionary method update. Next one is dict. Dict is a method, dictionary method, through which we can create dictionary objects. We can also create dictionary objects from sequence of items which are pairs. This is done by using dict method. So dict function takes list of paired elements as arguments. Suppose if you have some pair of elements like this, then if you send this pair of elements into the dict method or dict function, then it converts into a dictionary. We will see some examples on this. Suppose here you have list country, India, Australia, United States. City list, some city lists are there. Now country, city list. Here I am creating country, city list. List zip. I am using the function zip on this list and this list. That means these two elements will be zipped. That means it will become a pair. That means what zip will give? Zip will give list of tuples. So in the list of tuples, each tuple is a, here India, its capital is New Delhi. This is one tuple. After zip operation, here Australia, Canberra is its capital. Like that, the zip method will give list of tuples. Now if you use dict on this, now this entire key value pairs will be, these tuples will be converted into key value pairs. Now if you see here I am just running this. Now here dict of country underscore list, city underscore list. Now you can see. So this is a key. It is successfully converted the list of tuples into dictionary object. So here this one is the India is the key, New Delhi is the value, Australia and its value, United States its value, England its value. So now successfully have converted a list of tuple where in the each tuple you have pair of values. Those pair of values have converted into a dictionary object as key value pair. Or else we can directly use the dict function on zip of two lists. This is one list, this is one list. Zip will give list of tuples. On the list of tuples we have applied dictionary. Now it has successfully converted the list of tuples into a key value pair, which is called a dictionary. And the next method is pop. Pop method removes and returns an element from the dictionary having the given key. Whatever the specified key you will give, for the specified key, value will be removed and it will be returned. This method takes two arguments as key, which has to be set for removal, or default value. If the key is not there, you can return the key is not there in the dictionary. Suppose if you see, so here this is your dictionary. This is your, if you run this is your dictionary. In this dictionary, here I have mentioned the name of the dictionary, dot pop of England. England. So England is there, the key England is there in the given dictionary. Now if you want to pop, now that key and its value will be removed from the dictionary. So here it has successfully popped. That means has removed the element and returned its value. Now England, its key, its value is returned London. Now if you want to see whether it has removed from the dictionary or not, if you run this, now you can see only there are three countries. The country England is not there in the dictionary. Why? Because this is already popped. Popped means you have removed from the dictionary. Suppose again if you want pop Australia, now the element is popped. Now if you want to pop Australia, the element is popped. Now if you run this, if you run the dictionary, now we have only two values, only two key value pairs, India and New Delhi, United States and Washington. And that means you can mention the key, and if the case specified key is there in the dictionary, that value will be returned, removed and will be returned. Suppose if you want to remove all the elements from the dictionary, you can use country underscore city underscore dict dot. If I use the method clear is a method which clears all the elements from the dictionary. Now if you want to print the dictionary, it shows that the dictionary is not available. If you want to print the dictionary, it is saying that empty dictionary. That means all the elements from the dictionary are removed. So clear is a method which removes all the elements in the dictionary. That means it makes the dictionary as empty. That is the purpose of clear. So now we have seen various examples on dictionary methods. So please listen this video one more time, and you similarly at the same time you practice all the methods so that you will get the knowledge and hands-on experience on all the methods of the dictionary. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment on my YouTube channel. In future, we are going to create many more videos on computer science engineering subjects. Thank you.